If you're trying to connect your iPhone to a Bluetooth speaker, maybe headphones, maybe Apple CarPlay, something that involves Bluetooth, but you're having connection problems between your phone and that device, there are a number of things we can do to get that fixed. We're going to first head into the Settings app of your phone. The first thing that we'll do in the settings is toggle airplane mode on. This is the easiest change you can make. Just toggle this on, wait for a few seconds, and toggle it back off. You'll be able to see this disconnects from everything on your phone, including all of the Bluetooths, and then we will reconnect to it once you turn it back off. After we've done that, let's tap on the Bluetooth specifically. Now you can see through airplane mode, I toggle Bluetooth on and off. If that still doesn't fix the issue, make sure you go to that specific device that you show up on this list. So for instance, if it does show up on this list, you can tap on it with the little I. And from here, you have some options. You can choose to forget this device and hit forget this device, and then just pair it again. Or let's say it doesn't show up at all on this list. If it doesn't show up on this list at all, the next thing I would recommend doing is going back to the beginning of your settings. Once you're at the beginning of your settings, you'll be able to see towards the bottom is the general option. So tap on general here, and then we'll scroll down to the bottom and you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and we'll tap on reset. This will allow us to reset your network settings. So tap on reset network settings, enter the passcode here, and this will reset all of those settings for your VPN, your Wi-Fi, your Bluetooth, and your cellular data. So reset all of these just back to the factory default settings. After you go through all of these steps, it should work, but you might need to restart your phone. So go back to the general settings here, and at the very bottom, just tap on the shutdown button to turn your phone completely off and then restart it, and it should fix the issue. Now keep in mind, when you go into the Bluetooth section, at the very bottom it says other devices, and it has that little spinning circle indicating it's searching for other devices. However, if you're having connectivity problems between your iPhone and that other Bluetooth device, keep in mind it is a two-way road. Maybe it's the Bluetooth speaker or headphones or whatever itself. So keep in mind, every device usually has a pairing mode. So just look up on Google that specific device. Maybe it's AirPods Pro, or maybe it's a Bose headphones or speakers or something like that. Make sure to put that in pairing mode. You have to have it in pairing mode, and then it will automatically detect it on your iPhone and you'll be able to connect to it.